How much cooling can I generate using the power of a single AA battery? The best cooling component that works with low voltage DC is one of these Peltier modules. But even one of these is designed to work at 12 volts. And the most you're going to get out of one of these batteries is only 1.5 volts, which is 1/8 of the voltage it's meant for. Let's see how much cooling we can get. The table's about 80 degrees, meaning that's around ambient. Dropping into the low 70s. I think we hit the minimum. You might be thinking, a 9-degree temperature drop is not much. Could we get cooler than this? The answer is not really. Or at least not without any kind of external fan, powered by something that's not the little battery. Or just find something that's more powerful and connect it to the Peltier cooler. But I'm not done yet. I'm still going to try to attach fans to it using external supplies to see how cold I can get at 1.5 volts of cooling. Now I'm going to try using a fan. The fan's going to be powered by an external supply, but I'm still going to be powering the cooling with that one little AA battery. Now testing with the fan. Seems like they're dropping faster than before. It seems like it's doing worse than before. I guess the battery's already draining. But I do have one more option for cooling. This. My vacuum cleaner impeller connected to an RS-395 motor in a 3D printed housing. This new fan's gonna suck air through the heatsink at over 30 miles per hour. Turn everything on. Sounds like a little jet engine. Below 70. I can feel a bit of condensation. So with one of these batteries, you're not really going to create much more than a 10-degree temperature drop on one of these Peltier coolers. No matter what size fan you have, it's just not enough.